5 future-proof skills for the AI age, and 3 jobs already going obsolete. Look at your job. Now be honest, could a machine do it? Not in 5 years, I mean today in late 2025. That question should make you a little uncomfortable, because this isn't science fiction anymore. AI is already replacing repetitive work, but it's also opening entire new industries for people who know how to work with it, not against it. Today we're cutting through the noise. I'll show you 3 skills already going obsolete, and then the 5 future-proof skills that will make you indispensable in the age of AI. Let's go! Let's rip the band-aid off. 3 skill sets are on the chopping block, and fast. Number 1. Basic data entry. Manually copying numbers into Excel used to be the safe office job. Now, AI can process thousands of invoices in seconds with 99% accuracy. Number 2. Routine content writing. Basic blogs, generic product descriptions, repetitive ad copy. AI does it faster, cheaper, and without lunch breaks. But it can't write strategic storytelling. That's where humans win. Brand voice, emotion, creativity. Number 3. Level 1. Customer support. Chatbots can now resolve 80% of support tickets. Multilingual, 24/7. No bad moods. The human roles that remain? Handling complex, emotional, or high-stakes issues. Here's the good news. AI isn't getting rid of work, it's deleting boring work. These 5 skills will keep you relevant, employable, and ahead of the automation curve. Number 1. Prompt engineering and AI interaction. Think of it as communication design for machines. The better your prompts, the smarter the AI becomes. Learning structured prompting, role-based framing, and context layering is the new digital literacy. Tools to start: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity. Number 2. AI systems integration. The real value isn't in using one AI. It's connecting 10 of them. That's what AI integrators do. They connect ChatGPT to CRMs, emails, and data tools via Zapier, Make.com, or N8N. These are the digital plumbers of the AI economy. Number 3. AI ethics and governance. As AI adoption accelerates, ethics becomes non-negotiable. Every business, from startups to banks, needs people who can ask, is this algorithm fair? Who's accountable when AI gets it wrong? Roles in AI governance are exploding globally. Number 4. The AI translator/trainer. This is the bridge between technical and business worlds. You don't need to code. You need to communicate. Translators explain AI insights to non-technical teams or help train AIs for specific industries like law or healthcare. Example, fine-tuning a legal AI with local case law. Number 5. Emotional intelligence and creative problem solving. The most human skill of all: leading, mentoring, and innovating under uncertainty. AI can process data but can't inspire people. The leaders of the AI age will be those who combine empathy with innovation. Let's wrap this up. The jobs disappearing are repetitive. The jobs growing are dynamic, creative, and deeply human. Don't fear being replaced by AI. Fear not learning fast enough to use it. The winners in this new world aren't the ones who know AI. They're the ones who know how to work with it. Now, I want your take. What's one job you think will survive AI forever? Or which skill do you believe everyone should be learning in 2025? Drop your thoughts below. Let's get a real conversation going. If this gave you something to think about, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. Because this channel is all about navigating the AI-driven world smart.